You are going to love the 2018 GMC Terrain. The GMC Terrain combines the benefits of a crossover with the style and functionality of an SUV. Terrain offers uncompromised capability, a balanced stance, and a commanding view of the road, letting occupants enjoy a confident driving experience. And an EPA estimated 32 highway miles per gallon is not bad either, and is priced below $45,000. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: navigation system, all-wheel drive, traction control, power passenger seat, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, HomeLink garage door opener, cruise control, floor mats. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.